Email awareness. Let's talk about that. 3 things to remember about email awareness is, number 1, set a specific time to check your emails. Don't get into doom scrolling, or in this case, doom email, where you're checking your email every 5 minutes. Set 2 times a day, sometime in the morning, sometime in the afternoon. Check those emails and you'll have better productivity for the rest of your day. And number 2, email organization. Use labels in your favorite email, like Outlook or in Gmail, to properly filter out those emails that are coming in. You can set some rules and filters to make sure that those emails are going into different labels so that you're not constantly checking on each one of those every day and you can come back to them later. That's a great way to stay organized. And number 3, unsubscribe from those emails you don't want. Do you really need another 10% off pizza coupon? Probably not. Unsubscribe from all of those and you'll declutter your inbox.